Hey guys, welcome back to our Advent series. On the 13th day of Advent, my true love gave to me Popeye's chicken. We have sweet and spicy wings, the ghost pepper, the garlic parmesan, and honey barbecue. And we have some mac and cheese, ranch, and some fries, and a Coke. Alright, so let's dig in. And let's start off with our chicken wing. I love chicken wings. So this is the garlic parmesan. You wanna see the texture. So last time, I know I talked about different people cutting it different ways. I kind of learned the technique. I don't know if I'm good at it, but I'll try. So you break the cartilage and take the bone and you twist, and it comes out like this. And then you stick it in your mouth and it should be clean. Let's try it out. It's super good. Garlic parmesan is a little salty, but you know what? I'm not mad at it. It's very good. It's flavored very good. Very, very good. But guys, have you guys tried the ghost wings? They're so good. They look like regular chicken wings, but they're slightly orangey hued. If you see here, but they're delicious. All right, so I'm just gonna break the cartilage like this. Woo! La, la. All right, hey, I gotta get the skin. All right, and then so good. Guys, Popeyes knows what's up. All right, let's try this buttermilk ranch. All right, let's try it. Is this supposed to taste like that? A little like yogurty salty? I'm not opposed to it, but I was shocked, and that's why I was like, get some more. All right, this isn't a flat, so you can't, there's no true technique that I know of. We're just gonna eat it. It's honey barbecue. A little cream sauce will do it some justice. Very good. I think the ranch gives it some extra flavor. Because it can be just sweet overall. Very good. Let's go in for the sweet and spicy wing. It's like glazy. Looks like that sweet chili sauce that we all seen in the supermarketos before. I'm just gonna. Good. The French fry. Okay. French fry. Good. 맛있구만. Very good. I love chicken wings. Honestly, Popeyes, you got it going on, you know? You're getting interesting with all the different flavors, you know? It's not just like sticking to one flavor and just being like, this is what we got, go. It's like getting innovated, you know? I like that. Props to you. And we have some mac and cheese here. Mac and cheese. Basically, it's just noodles and cheese. Good. Velveeta, yeah. That's what it tastes like. Honestly, if you haven't tried the ghost pepper flavor, it's so good. You have to have it at least once. So good. This buttermilk ranch is pretty good. The sweet and spicy chicken wings is very innovative too. Mm. Mm. Let my sweater. My husband's grandma knitted it for us. My first time wearing it. Alright. Garlic parmigiano. Lego. You are my last one. You are loved. Oh, look at that clean bone. Popeyes, your fries are not bad. Actually surprised. Your mac and cheese hits the soul, alright? It's very creamy, very Velveeta-esque. But so little in the fries. When you choose which one's gonna be the last wing to, you know, kind of marinate your throat for a bit, what do you pick? Sweet or salty? I will pick sweet. Lego. Rancho. If you haven't tried the ghost wings, highly recommend. The sweet and spicy wings are kind of like Asian zing or sweet chili. So just have that in mind. If you haven't tried the ghost pepper, try it out now. The technique for getting the little bones out is you can either use your teeth or your hand. Literally, it's like the connecting bone right here and you can see it. So you just go in there, pull it out, twist, and then pull out. And then you just go like this. Connect your teeth to the bone, but not too tightly. And then go whoop. And then the flesh should come out into your mouth. All right? This is your sign to go get some Popeyes near you. All right. So I'm looking at the chicken wing on this side, right? And the end piece right here, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna just twist. All right. Okay, so I just pulled it back. I don't know if you can see the bone right here sticking out. I guess you could just pull them both out if you wanted to, honestly. All right, and then I'm just gonna twist, 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 and pull out. I'm gonna see if I can do it to the big one too. Not so clean, but it'll be a nice way to eat boneless. No bones. Very good. That was so good, guys. Thanks for joining me on the Advent day. And if you haven't already, there's a playlist where you can watch the Advent days in order. And if you missed something, you can always catch up that way. See you on the next Advent day, guys. Bye! For